Are you a Zelda fan? Because if you are, then like me, you should be celebrating today the launch of the Nintendo Switch game, Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom. I've had the special edition Zelda Switch OLED for a while now, but I've been waiting till today to unbox it because I've been wanting to pick up a few more items. So today, I visited the Nintendo store here in New York, and I've come home with some goodies. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the exciting people I get to meet along the way. So if you're a gamer and like Zelda, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. In this video, we'll unbox every single limited edition Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom merchandise and some Power-A accessories. To start off this video, I guess I should reveal everything I have inside this goodie bag, but before that, I also picked up this t-shirt. It's actually the official shirt, and it's what Nintendo employees had on at the store today. This official Zelda TotK tee retails for $29.99 online. Next up, I couldn't resist this John Deere-esque Legend of Zelda sports cap. This is also available online, and it's $19.99. What I like most about this cap is something that you won't see. Underneath is some artwork featuring Zelda, Link, other characters, and the text, "It's dangerous to go alone, take this." Let me wear this for the rest of this reveal. Also inside, I have some Amiibos. This is Link, Majora's Mask, Link, Ocarina of Time, an 8-bit version of Link, Link from the Twilight Princess, a 2-pack with Link and Zelda from the Wind Walker, and last but not least, Link from this game, Tears of the Kingdom. If you didn't know, you can tap any Zelda Amiibo, actually any Amiibo for that matter, to get in-game rewards. I have two more really exciting stuff in here, but first, 3 of the freebies that I got in store today. There were 3 available, and because of what I purchased, I qualified for everything. The first is this poster. I got an even bigger poster and actually have not seen it yet. It has the game art on it, and I believe there was one more freebie, a Link pin. Okay, the last 2 I'm really excited about. First is a special edition Tears of the Kingdom Pro Controller for the Switch. And last, but definitely not least, the Legend of Zelda Collector's Edition. The game is included, and I believe there are other special surprises inside. An unboxing in an unboxing video. By the way, I realized I'm missing one item. There's also a special Zelda Edition Switch case. I checked the bag, I checked the receipt, it wasn't included, so hopefully I can find one before this video gets published. Let's start with the special edition Switch OLED. The box features the game cover art and gives us a sneak peek of what's inside. On the back, even more beauty shots of the Zelda OLED, which looks really cool. Let's open it up. First up, let's go straight to the Switch. Lots of plastic. Always my biggest complaint about Nintendo products. While on the front side, it might look inconspicuous when you flip it around. Look at that pattern. Look at those concentric circles just printed on that back surface, and it looks so pretty. Next up, you have the controllers. More plastic. Both controllers have a metallic gold finish. On the right, you have the circle pattern again, and on the left, once you play the game, you'll recognize what this pattern refers to. This is how it looks like. Also in the box, I can see some paperwork underneath. There you go, the safety manual. Deeper in the box, you have the dock, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Look at that. So it's a white dock, very similar to my current white Switch OLED, but as you can see, you have the circles on the right, the runes on the left, and then you have the Hylian crest in the middle. And then if you flip it around, just some small gold accents featuring those same runes. Let's speed through the rest of the cables. I love the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. In fact, I already have 3 so that when my friends come over to play Mario Kart, there's enough for everybody. But of course, how could I not pick this one up? Here we go, it comes in this box, and already I can see how pretty it looks like, or it will look like. I don't have my blade right now, so I'm just going to peel this off myself, ruining the box in the process. There you go. Moment of truth. Oh, look how nice and pretty that is. On one side, you have this white accent. You have the same circles. You have the same Hylian crest on it. Black, white, and gold accents all around. And then on the flip side, you can kind of see it's almost translucent. Notice the finish is textured for a better grip. The Pro Controller also comes with a USB-A to C charging cable. Okay, now for the unboxing in an unboxing. This is the collector's edition, so it's the game and some other goodies inside. Let's find out what's inside together. I don't know where to look at because there's a lot. Let's start with this guy. It's a metallic tin. So what you get is a hard copy of the game, just like everybody else, but you also get this special edition tin. See, you can put the game cartridge inside here. There's a lot more in here, but I'm really curious to see what this guy is. That's my only complaint, a lot of plastic. Okay, what is this? Pins. You get 4 different pins, all with some hieroglyphics on them. Cool, cool. Speaking of cool, at the store today, there was an old man in line and he wanted to pick up a special edition box for his daughter. He says he's that old that he's played the very first edition of Zelda, and now his daughter first played Breath of the Wild, and that he's going to go home and spend, they're going to have a popcorn night and play the game together. Next up, I believe this is a picture book. Let's peel off even more plastic. Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. See what's inside. Love that, it's embossed. More circles, more runes. Look at that. Oh, it's all in Japanese. Interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil you, but definitely worth checking out. There's more in here. This is the steel poster, and it does come with some instructions. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, important. For reliable adhesion, please apply the magnet to a dry, clean, flat surface. Okay, so you basically have a large magnet with 3M tape on one side. There's an outline for where the magnet needs to go. You should stick that on a surface. Ooh, very nice. Maybe I should have this on my refrigerator. I've only played about an hour into the game, but some of these Easter eggs already make sense. This pose, by the way, is also available as a life-sized model at the Nintendo store in New York. And now let's take a look at my new Link Amiibo collection. Here is Link Twilight Princess, 8-bit Link from the Legend of Zelda, and Zelda from the Wind Walker, Link from the Ocarina of Time, and Link from Majora's Mask. After we finish filming, I'm gonna head out to GameStop to see if I can pick up one of those special edition Switch cases.
1 hour later.
Thank you so much, GameStop. I found the Nintendo Switch carrying case and screen protector. Let's open it up to see what it actually looks like. Ooh, look at that. You have the same kind of like tan gold-esque accents. It's definitely metallic, a light gold with the crop circles, and then the crest in like a glossy black. So black on black. And then on the flip side, I already kind of know what this is because I've played a few minutes of the game, but I don't want to spoil it for you. Similar to the dock, you have the circles on the right and the runes on the left. Now let's just open it up to show you. Very similar to my existing case, you have a place to store your game cartridges. It's nice and felt in the middle. And this is what it looks like when you put that inside. Seal it shut. Love it. You also get a screen protector. Before we end, let me leave you with some gameplay footage from The Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom. And that was a fun look at all the cool new Zelda merchandise available from Nintendo in time for the launch of their new game, Tears of the Kingdom. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff and some interesting reels from time to time. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.